How to fix Facebook pixel not tracking conversions on your store. Follow the instructions. Use Meta Pixel Helper to check if the pixel fires on product, cart, checkout, and thank you pages. Set up key events like add to cart and purchase using Meta's event setup tool or manual code. Verify your domain in Business Manager under Brand Safety Domains to enable proper event tracking. Configure aggregated event measurement to prioritize purchase and other key conversion events. Enable Conversions API to capture conversions missed by ad blockers and iOS browser restrictions. Ensure Pixel is active on all URLs, including external or third-party checkout domains. Make sure your cookie banner allows marketing cookies and test with ad blockers turned off. Use Events Manager's Test Events tool to confirm real-time event filing during a test purchase.
Thanks for watching.